Hi, Jody Marketplace Boutique. I have a way to make money and you really don't have to do much. So about a year ago or so, I created an affiliate link with eBay and then I just forgot about it. Duh. Did it late at night like I'm doing right now. Sometimes I get these ideas before I go to bed. So I'm going to show you how to create links that will make you an income without doing anything. How to make money with no money at all. You can sleep, you can go for a drive, you can do whatever, and you still get paid. I'll show you how to do it. eBay has a eBay partner network, as you see here, and you can just Google eBay affiliate program or eBay partner network, and it will bring you here. And then you just need to log in. And you might have to set this up and it might take a day or two to become a partner. So I currently don't have anything going on here. I really haven't spent time with it. I did sign up for it and then I completely forgot about it. So I've recently put my links in here. As you can see, I had 3 people click on it. I mean, pretty normal. I have not worked at this at all, but if you actually work at this, you can be a marketing guru and make tons of money doing this. Okay, so once you sign up, say you're going to create a link and you want to drop it somewhere. And this way people will click on it, maybe buy something through eBay, or they'll click on it and use a coupon through eBay. So if you go down here to create a promotable link, this is what you want to do. And you can just select default here. Now, I won't be able to show you exactly other than to tell you how it works because if you have Windows 11, eBay has not caught up with that yet. My computer doesn't actually work with affiliate programs, so that is another thing that is kind of making me not really mess around with this too much. But I'll show you here what to do. Now, I have started working on it with my old computer. It's just kind of a pain to go back and forth, and I don't really want to use that old computer. What you can do is say that you have this here, you have something for sale, okay? And you can share it on Instagram. As you can see here, I shared this dress on Instagram. So now what you could do is take the link, like if it was still for sale, over here, and you copy this code right here. That's the link to the dress. And then you just go to eBay Partner Network. You can select a campaign here. I would just select default because it doesn't work for me. And then you would just put in this code here. And that's the same code as where I got the dress. And you generate a link. So now for me, this isn't going to work because this is Windows 11. eBay, hello, catch up with the programs. Catch up with the times. So eBay just needs to make it work with the new compatible programs. So if you have this and, say you don't have Windows 11, and then you just click generate a link, that will give you a link, okay? So then you can go to anywhere and put that link. You could put it here on Linktree. Linktree is a really good place to put your links. And you could put like featured items. You could put your Instagram, as I have here. I put Instagram. I have my YouTube page and my eBay store, which I don't think I did put affiliate links in here yet. Okay, so here is my eBay store, and a really good way to share a link is to share your store link. That you can put anywhere. You could put it on your own web page, you could put it on Linktree, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. I mean, you can put it anywhere. Or you can also do like categories. You can pick a certain category and link back to that. You can link back to an item. So it's super easy. So if you want to link back to Instagram for your eBay store, so you could go here, to Linktree. I would put Marketplace Boutique because that's my store name. I'd put my link in here. And for Instagram, you could just link that back to the Linktree, and that will give you all your links over here. Or you could also just put your eBay store link to here. And so every time somebody clicks on it, eBay will pay you for sales. You actually get paid when people look at your stuff and buy things. So that is an awesome little feature there if you actually use it, which I need to. Sometimes I feel like I have too many pies in my oven. That's definitely something that you can do if you want to earn a little bit of extra money, or even get to the point of being able to pay your eBay fees just by links. And I used to do that. eBay used to have a different program, and then all of my fees were paid for, which was really nice. Okay, so you can also go to this tools, the link generator, and this will generate a link for you. Also here, it's the same thing. And you can call it different campaigns, or here's the default, but still, it's still not working for Windows 11. Over here in the resources on the right side tab, you can also use eBay's links just to say, hey, buy sneakers. Here's sneakers on eBay. You could use this as a link and get paid through that too. Say eBay runs a sale that day or that week when they have special promotions, you can also link that and say, hey, eBay has a coupon, and link that. So yeah, I wouldn't bombard people on like Instagram or social media with, links like that. However, if it's stuff that you use, or say like you're promoting something someday, or say you're talking about if there's like these pair of shorts that are for sale, or you have a new video, if you're talking about something that you have for sale or that you're using, or say if you're an eBay seller and you're talking about shipping and here's, the boxes or the supplies that you use, you can definitely link that back to eBay. When you start thinking about how many things that you use to run your eBay business, it is quite a bit. You could actually make some good money on that. Okay, so if you scroll down here, there's a sales and events. Here is sales and events. You can copy these links. See, it says copy links, super easy. And you could say, hey, eBay has a 30% coupon. So easy. Here, you just copied it. And click copy and it copies it. Or office organization, you could put that in your link. If you have like a YouTube channel, you can also put these links. So if I scroll down, I'll show you what these links look like. And here are my YouTube videos. So here's my eBay store, and this does link back. You can also put more links. Now these are Amazon for me. However, you can do the same thing with eBay items. You just might want to put, this might result in a small commission. That is the law, just to tell people that you might get paid for doing this. There's ways to use these. I think it's a really good way to make a little bit of extra money with really not doing much work. Here you can see when they expire. So this one doesn't expire for about another year. So easy. It's even easier than creating your own link, which really is not hard at all either. Okay, everybody, I hope that helps. I hope everybody makes a little bit of extra money. And why not make a little extra money if you're doing eBay, especially if you're doing YouTube also. That's a great way to share, or on Instagram. Remember, you can put all your links here on Linktree too, and Linktree is free. They do have a free service, and they have a paid service also. Okay, everybody, I hope that helps. Make a little bit of extra money. Have an awesome day. Bye.